It's Jennifer from J Stern Designs here, and I want to share a exciting moment with you all. I have signed up for a knitting class with Stitches at Home, and it's this weekend. And in the mail, I got a box from Stitches that has stuff for my class in it, and I'm super excited. Partly, I'm super excited because I never take classes, I'm always teaching. I teach at Stitches events, different sewing classes, and I'm a budding knitter. And when I'm at the hands on events, I'm always sad that I can't take a class. So, Stitches decided to do a virtual event that spans 2 weekends. So it's the 4th and 5th this weekend, and then the 12th and the 13th the weekend after. And I was really excited when I looked at the lineup of classes. I wanted to take the majority of them, but I settled upon a vertical stranded knitting because I want to make Laura Lee Beltman's Bold Move skirt, which has that technique in it, and I have no idea what vertical strand knitting is. So I thought this is perfect. I can learn from Laura Lee instead of trying to figure it out myself. So I'm super excited about that. And when this box came in the mail, I thought, ooh, I'll share it with everybody because I don't know what's in here. There's homework for the class. So to be a good student, I'm actually going to do the homework ahead of time. So I'll be prepped for the class. So I was kind of surprised when I got this box in the mail because I thought, the prep work was the stuff I would need to do the class. So let's open up this box and see what's in it. They always put really good glue on these priority mail boxes. Let's see. Ooh. Oh my goodness. I have yarn. I thought I had to use my own yarn. Look at this. Beautiful colors. A blue hand-dyed yarn and a worsted yarn. Ooh, this is so exciting. Let's read what it says here. Welcome to Stitches at Home. Enclosed is your class handout envelope, emoji pops, and a few surprises from our sponsors. Our Zoom check-ins will be held September 3rd and 4th. Please make sure to join us so you can meet some of your fellow attendees and we can make sure you're familiar with Zoom features you will need. We will inform you of plans, protocols, and what emoji pops are all about. The invite to those sessions will be sent to your email address, so login will be easy. We hope you are as excited as we are about our first virtual event. Let the games begin. Thanks for inviting us into your home, the XRX team and Stitches at Home instructors. Look at how nice that is. This is really exciting. All right, let's open up this. Oh my goodness gracious. Look at this. This is fun. Look at these cute little signs. Thumbs up. I have a question. All right, this is going to be my popular one probably. SOS. Technical difficulties. Oh, here's another popular one for me. Repeat that, please. I can see myself using this one. And then at the end, I hope to be a shining light bulb. I love these. This is very cool. 15% off Oink Pigments. A little Oink sticker. That's going to go on my water bottle. And a book, 50 knitted gifts for year-round giving. Oh my goodness. This is like Christmas in September. I'm so excited. Oh my goodness. All right. There's also a couple free knitting patterns in here. Look at this little purse. That is adorable. This is from Knit the Colors of Australia. That's nice. And a hat pattern, which, hats are my favorite thing because I can make them in a reasonable amount of time because I'm a very slow knitter. But this is a cool hat with the instructions on the back. Look, a pink pen from Stunning String Studio. I have to open this up right now. Let me get my little scissors. There's a thing to scratch off to see if I'm a winner. Hold on. Stunning String Studio is going to have discounts and promotions during the Stitches at Home event as well. They are lovely people, so definitely support them. Oh my goodness, I'm glad I opened this up on camera, because in addition to my pink pen, I have some stitch markers. Look at how cool that is. And some samples of some very cool yarn. And all sorts of fun. Let's see. Stunning Strings, Stunning Autumn Retreats. Okay, that already passed. They had a wonderful retreat on August 31st. I missed that. I'm sorry. They have some color collector subscription boxes starting at $20 a month. This is all from Stunning String Studio. And they're having a virtual yarn tasting on Saturday, October 3rd. We didn't miss that. So what I'll do is I'll put a link in the description below to Stunning String Studio so you can take advantage of any of this fun stuff. And then here it says scratch off the sticker to see what you've won. Let's see, what did I win? I won 10% off my entire purchase. It expires October 31st. Oh my gosh. I don't know if you remember, but I knitted my Entrelac skirt, and I got that kit from Stunning String Studio. They have beautiful yarn. All right, so there's one more thing. Let me see what's in this envelope. All right. Oh, Colors That Climb, vertical stranding color work and knitting. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh, look at this beautiful handout with all the color pictures and everything. All right, this is super exciting. I hope you enjoyed my unboxing of my kit materials and free gifts and bonuses from Stitches Events and Stunning String Studio and Oink Pigment. I will put links to everything in the video below, so if you want to check these things out, you can. Including Stitches Events at Home, so when they ramp up their next event in October, you can easily find it. So I hope you guys have a great day, and I hope you're going to be doing something fun this weekend. I know what I'm going to be doing, learning vertical stranded knitting. So I will see you again very soon.